Yeah. Hey. Hey. Okay. Hey. Let it play live. Okay. Listen, okay, you 1 up, baby, I'm 3 up. Always ahead of you, jump mode cat of you. I'ma go hit body bag you, throw it up in the cash. You already know you can have it, just put it in the bag. Gats coming out, all black flags around my face. Oh snap, go ahead, tell them kick the doors, put them down on the floor, lay him down, strapped up his mama. Now she always screaming to the Lord, please save me now. F that, put the barrel in the mouth and blow her brains back. I ain't got no time for that, man, I need that cash back. Yeah, I did it for the money, yeah, it's Satan hungry. Holy way, you Satan hungry. Holy way, I'm money hungry. Oh yeah, God, oh, believe that. Read the money on the back of signs, God, forget that. Already see that's dirty paper, so it's all bloody ready. And your girl steady hitting like a V. And I put that D all inside and bloodied up the sheets. Dang, it's so nasty. Real you so crazy. F what they singing. I be 1 up, boy. Always 3 up, boy. That's my set up, boy. 3 up, that's what they call me. I'm so untamed, you can't train me. And my homeboy, he say, real low, come on, bruh. Don't get that chrome, bruh. Don't let that thing out, bruh. They don't trust me, no gas, so they hand me no gas. Oh, don't put that off in my hand, cause I'm the one that do the dance. Now do the dance, now make it rain. Them bullets like cheap cave. Bang, bang, shot, now. Hit the cops around the block. They can get to. I don't give a F about them too. Man, they take their job serious, and I take my shit real serious. Already know what it is, though. I put that ish in the meal for. Gotta make this rap pop. Gotta make this hip hop, and I gotta make that rap pop just like your girl Cherry Pop. Drop that in the bag. They already know what it is. Bums over bag. That holy way is for that oil. They say it's only cause he came up like Osama, but they been killed Osama. They steady fighting the war. It's cold out here. I say the Trail of Tears here. America, they gives a fuck about me. I'm just a black dude.